Let's make some vegan whipped cream. We're going to use coconut milk, which is rich in vitamin D and calcium for bone support. Plus, it's a great internal lubricant and it's so tasty. Let's get started making it. After I refrigerated the coconut milk overnight in order to make sure it solidifies the cream, I washed the top in order to make sure I washed away any dirt and dust before I used the can opener. We're going to open it up. Once I open it, you will see that it's solid cream. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to remove all the cream and I'm going to put it here in my mixer. After that, there is some liquid on the bottom, the coconut milk, and I'm going to put that in a separate container and store it overnight and then use it for hot chocolates or other drinks and beverages that I like. Now that we have the cream in there, we're going to whip it until it's stiff. I choose a KitchenAid. You can also do this with a hand mixer. Throughout it, you might want to pause and scrape it, but we're going to check. Once it's stiff, we stop. Now that we've turned it until it's stiff, let's take a look at this. It's nice and stiff. We want to add 1 tablespoon of cane sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla to add some flavor to it. We're going to store this in the refrigerator once we're finished to keep it cool. It's so delicious. Now that we've whipped in the sugar and the vanilla, we're going to transfer it to a bowl. And then we're going to taste this beautiful whipped cream. Let's taste it. Delicious and nutritious. I added a little berry, so it's going to add extra flavor and color. Here we go. Vegan whipped cream. You're going to love it.